and welcome back to recreating an AR language book page tutorial. If you've not watched the previous videos, you can click on the links in the description of this video. Okay, so now we have a ZappAR account, we've created our first project, and we also have added our tracking image. Now we will start adding our 3D objects to the scene. You can find the link to the assets in the description as well. When you have this link open, click on the folder called 3D Models. Here you will find what you need. To start this, we will first add the walls to our project to look like the classroom came to life. First, find the model walls.glb. Select it and then right-click. Then, from the Windows options, select Download. When downloaded, go back to your project. Here you can just drag the downloaded asset into the left window that says 3D Models inside of ZappAR. Wait for it to upload to your project. When completed, you should be able to see the walls model in your 3D Models panel on the left. Another way you can add your 3D model in space is by clicking on the arrow icon next to the Browse Media Library button on the left panel. Then search for walls.glb in the pop-up window. Select the model, and then click Open, and after that, give it a few seconds for it to load into your project. After you have your model in the left panel, you can click and drag it into your workspace. Once it's here, you will see that the 3D model has 3 arrows coming from within. These arrows, depending on the tool you select in the toolbar located at the top, will help you manipulate the objects in 3 different ways. You can move the object, scale it, and rotate it. There are other tools such as duplicate, lock, delete, recenter, as well as move 1 step back or 1 step forward. We will click on the scale one and we are going to select the green cube at the top. Click and drag upwards to make the object bigger and cover the entire space. Then select the moving tool and drag it up and to the sides. And then select the rotation tool to put it in the right place. The walls should be in the back. Now we have our walls and a nice space to start adding our 3D models for the classroom. Download the 3D models from the previous folder shared and repeat the same process from before to add them to your library inside of ZappAR. Give them a few minutes to load and then repeat the same process as the walls on the other object. You can use the illustration of the classroom as a reference like I am doing right now. After you add all of your 3D models, we can move to the next step, adding audio. In the next video, we will go over how to add audio to our AR language book so that when people click on the objects, they can listen to the word. See you there!